Glory? Love? Look, it's a hyacinth. You want to see it? It's a hyacinth. Guys, they're checking out the hyacinth. Another hyacinth. Hey beautiful CVPs, welcome to my channel. I'm back. I'm Carolin from Petzholdt. Thank you for tuning in. I have Glory and Love with me right now here in the car. They're back there. But anyway, just want to tell you that I haven't been doing too well. I was this whole this whole pandemic just really got to me, so I just needed to take time off and experience major burnouts. But anyway, check out where we are. You guys see that? You see that? We are in Magnolia Bird Farm today. So I brought Love and Glory with me today, and this is Magnolia Bird Farm in Riverside, and they have a hyacinth macaw. His name is Blue. So I want my two hyacinth macaws meet the hyacinth macaw. And look, I have Blue, 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 Blue. All right, Glory, are you ready to come out? I know. I know. What did you do? Did you bite everything? Oh. There you are. Good girl. Hi. Hi. Oh, there is Love. Hi, lovey boy. Hi, Glory. Let's get Love out. Hey, Love. You want to come out? Love is fully flighted, so he needs his harness because I don't want him to fly away. And it can happen. He's free flight trained, but not everywhere. He needs to get into his leash like that. Check this out. Oh, there are breeze. Look where we are. Look where we are. You guys excited? We also have to buy some chain toys. See, I have my mask. I'll just do this. This is my mask. Homemade, so I can breathe. I love it because I can breathe. I'm not gonna deny myself air. Air, breath is so important. It's holy, it's sacred. Oh look, 2 hyacinths. Let's go to Magnolia Bird Farm. 2 hyacinths. 2 hyacinths look good on me. Hey guys, I forgot something. I have a business card. Somebody wants to check out my YouTube channel. I'm gonna give them a business card to find me on YouTube so that they can subscribe. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Give us a like. I'll really appreciate it because that boosts my analytics, and you guys know I haven't been posting, so my analytics are really bad and really down. Okay, let's go inside Magnolia Bird Farm. Put on my mask. Hi. Look. Look who's here. Look. Hi. Glory? Love? Look, it's a hyacinth. You want to see it? It's a hyacinth. Guys, they're checking out the hyacinth. Another hyacinth. Hi. You want to see it? You want to see it? Glory, step up. No? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Isn't he cute? Isn't it cute, love? Hi. Oh. Oh. Hi, honey. Look. Hyacinth. Yeah, these are my two. This is Love. He's a baby. He's only 2 years old. And this is Glory. She's 30. She's turning 30. How old is Blue? 17. 17? Wow. Wanna go say hi to Blue? Wanna go say hi to Blue? Look, Blue, you got visitors today. You got visitors. Hi. Oh yeah. So I got one. Alright, check this out. 3 hyacinths, magnolia bird phone. See this? Magnolia bird. Let's give Blue one. Look. Wanna make a macadamia nut? Everybody's enjoying macadamia nuts. Laurie is checking him out. Bubba's just busy with his nut. Wow, you open it fast. Laurie loves him. Oh. I gave him a mac nut, so he's working on it. Did you just dump? Yeah, they are mine.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you. Just dump his mac nut.
You just dumped it, huh?
They are so expensive and so precious because they are the nutrients that the hyacinths need. And they are really hard in the shell. What? Oh, you don't want it. You're not hungry.
Oh.
You're not hungry. Thank you. Let's give it Blue. Blue. It's already open. You want one? You want one? Hi. Oh, no. Don't bite me. Take a nut.
I think you're taking his nut away.
Oh, he loves the mac nut. Don't you love the mac nut?
¿Te estás metiendo a la clase, Nicolás?
No, it's like you can go ahead and...
Should we go look at the other birds? Oh, look. Wait, look. Hi. Hi. Need to see? Nope. Oh. Cute little birdie. Oh my god. Thank you. Hi.
Yeah, you guys, did anybody say hello to people at the market? Yeah, I've been selling at the
What are you doing?
Yeah,
You say hi?
and at the candy
Hi.
they have these big apiaries, and you get a cup of nectar, and then they come and they drink the nectar.
Oh, I want to feed you.
No, I was thinking that. Okay.
I want to feed you. There's a little African Congo. There's a lorikeet. Look. It's a lorikeet. Blue streak lorikeet.
Grape in a separate bowl. Vegetables where they use the grape.
Sometimes people will, do that kind of thing, or sometimes they will just hang one of those, like,
Oh, what do you think?
in the cage, and they kind of feel like it's just off. People few different things. Step up.
Ah.
There you go. Hi. Hi.
You see the cockatiel? Cockatoo? You see the cockatoo?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Is this the long one?
I just said pretty bird. Is that a pretty bird?
Yeah. Pretty bird.
Pretty.
Hello. You're a pretty bird. Yes, you are. Yes, we're a pretty bird.
Can you say that too? Can you say pretty bird?
Bird.
Pretty bird. Can you say that? Oh, it's eating. Oh.
Pretty bird. Oh my goodness. Ooh, pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Hi. Oh my goodness, yes you are.
Come on, let's go out to. Can I have some chains? You guys like it? Look it. I'm gonna get you some of these big ones. You like it? Love? You wanna go check it out? Hey. Oh. Hey. You wanna play with that? Pretty bird. You wanna play with that, love? So if we get these are the small ones, right? Oh, but this is the same price, right? $1.50.
No, this one?
They're all $1.50.
Yeah.
All right, I will get the big one. How much do we need? Can you pull it out, please? We're gonna get you some toys. Pen is 15. One is 15. Hey, these are small ones. You guys break through this so fast. We need the big ones. Look at all these toys. Look at all these toys. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. So we get, yeah, yellow and orange. If we get, let's say, how much do you want, guys?
7 feet.
7 feet, yeah. Probably.
So this is 3.
Oh, this is already 3? Okay.
Okay.
That's 6. Alright, then let's do 6. 6 for both. 6 for orange and 6 for yellow. 6 looks good. Perfect. Let her stretch for it so she doesn't bite you yet. Perfect. Take a look. He doesn't bite. Ah, thank you. We'll still shop.
Okay, I'm gonna put it up here.
Okay, thank you. Say hi to Blue. Say hi to Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Look, come. Hey, buddy. You work here too?
No, I just came here to pick up 2 parakeets.
Oh, okay. You got 2 parakeets.
Yeah, 2 little small ones, because we have like 3 of them at the house.
Yeah.
3 boys and 1 girl, and they're fighting over that girl.
Yeah.
So we couldn't get like 2 more.
Yeah.
These
Okay,
guys
I'll take 6 of them and I'll send 2 to my dad and we'll see how it goes.
Okay, perfect.
And then just you bring them in and I'll write you up a text.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
This guy is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. One day I'll get one.
Okay. Okay, guys, good news. Frank from the boss from Macaw Bird Farm, he agreed to buy my books. So he's gonna carry it in his store. So go and check it out. I'm gonna give him some copies so he has it on stock. This is so great. I'm so excited.
Well, we always have a lot of people wanting to know how
Free flight.
behavioral and stuff, so.
Right. And it's a lot of informative. I've been free flying my birds since 2016. Oh,
Hi.
oh. He's very territorial right now. Love.
Hi.
She
Are we
bites.
gonna be bratty?
She might bite.
Are we gonna be bratty? Hey. Nice try. Nice try. No. Are you gonna be bratty? Hi. Hi. That's right, I got 10 macaws at home. That's alright. You can go ahead and try it. You can go ahead and try it. No. No. What are you doing? Hey.
She likes you now.
What are you doing? Have you been bratty?
Glory, jump! Glory, jump! Jump! Good girl! Jump, Glory! Jump, Glory!
Bratty.
Jump, Glory, jump! Good. Yeah.
You have a card?
Yes.
You can.
Perfect. Have fun selling it.
Yeah, I'm gonna send 2 to Anaheim.
Perfect.
Okay, and when you get a minute, can you mark those pricing before you want to?
He loves everything what's metal.
Hey.
Stop. 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 You have to sell that. You can hold it. You want to hold it? Open your hand. It's heavy. Be nice, love.
Huh? Look at it.
I know. He likes you. Now take your other hand and pet him. Scratch his head. Good. Isn't he sweet? Very fluffy, right? So why do you like birds?
Because we have a lot of birds.
So you grew up with birds?
Yeah, I think
How many birds do you have?
we have like 1,000.
1,000 birds? Oh, love wants to kiss you. Is that still okay or you want me to take him away?
It's okay.
Oh, wow, you're so brave. You're so brave.
I'm not afraid of them either.
Good boy, love.
Carly. Carly.
Hey, love, come. All right, you are released. Are you guys online?
No.
You guys online? I'll be behind you. Oh, look. Bloom, bloom, bloom. Okay. Very nice.
That's really pretty.
You want to hold him?
Yes, please.
He's very sweet.
He went up me.
He's even harness trained, so I put it on. He's good with it. Can take it off. He flies around. He likes to jump. Like, Lori, go.
Just sitting up there and she came up and fell. I was like, I'm not afraid of you.
Nah, she doesn't want. Oh. Let go. Yeah, he bites all my zippers. They're all broken. Oh. He loves pencils.
Loves everything.
Hey, take the chain. Look. That's ours. We can buy that.
Yeah.
Need a chain.
He said, no, I like this stuff better.
Alright guys, this was the vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna go home now. Everything is in the car. Lori's in the car. Let's get love in the car. If you like this video, give us a like. It will help with my analytics. And subscribe to my channel. Go check out Angelic Parrots and I'll see you next time.
Later.